Hi guys, so I thought I'd share some little pendants that I made for sewing themed junk journals, and they're just little bottle caps. I was lucky enough to come across 3 bags of these, which are only $1 each at the at a charity op shop. So all I've done, I've removed the little plastic liner that's in the bottle cap, and I've filled them. I'll just move those out of the way so it can focus. And I've just filled them with little sewing themed items and punched a hole and put a little jump ring on it. So this one's got some buttons, little snap closures. This one has a pin with some fabric threaded through, some sequins, just little sewing notions. Isn't it cute? I love how they turned out. That's one. That's another one. This has got some sort of little there's a little hook. I'm not sure what the proper names of all of them are. That one's that's a little stud, a stud type button or something. Some little pins. But I think they all turned out super duper cute. It's got a little zipper pull there. Sorry guys, my hands are dirty as well. I was painting earlier, so I've got green and blue paint all over me. That's another one. That one, this zipper pull, it's really old. It was I found it in my grandmother's old sewing machine, the old Singer type sewing machine drawers. That's another one. So I've just filled them with diamond glaze. I don't know if you saw, I made some steampunk ones with rusty bottle caps. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description box below. This one I've put a little faux gem as well, one of those little craft gems. And this one, when I punched the hole before I fill the caps. I filled it up too much, so then it closed the hole up. So I've just actually hung it off the zipper pull itself. But I think they turned out super duper cute. I especially like the way the little hooks, I'm not sure what they're called, eye hooks or something, but how you can tell what they are. This one I've got a button off a jean jacket or something in the middle. It's also got some string rolled up. I did try and put some cotton thread in there, but it was too thin. Kind of got swallowed up. That's another one. This one actually has a clothing tag underneath, so you probably can't see that one. I maybe covered it up too much. There's another little guy. I just think they'll look adorable on sewing themed journals. So I've left them as little pendants. I was going to make full dangles, but what I might do, I might pop these ones in my Etsy store just as little pendants, and then I may make some more later as full dangles. Because I think people who are into junk journaling probably also like to make their own stuff. This one has a little polyester tag underneath. And this one with a green button. I kept most of the colours neutral because a lot of the sewing themed journals seem to be vintage style. So I kept a lot of the colours neutral. I think the green one and the one with the pink button were the only 2 colourful ones I put. But Funny enough, they're my favourite ones. Anyway, I love the way they turned out. Give it a try. They're super easy to make. You just need to collect all little bits and bobs. I mean, one of them, I've even got like a little, one of these little eye hooks, like off an old bra. So I just collect all these little bits and pieces from absolutely everywhere. If you cut up old clothes, you'll always get, you know, buttons, zip pulls and little hooks and sequins and that sort of thing off them. So just save them all up and use them. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'd share them. I'll pop these into my little Etsy store, probably in little packs of 2. Just because I've made 12 of them, and I think it's more worthwhile with postage if you put a couple of things in a little package. So I'll pop them in packs of 2, but if you want different quantities or anything, or even if you want some with certain coloured buttons and all that, I'm happy to make extras as well, because I just love making little stuff and sharing them. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.